Meet Bob.
Hey guys.
Bob is an 18-year-old who just graduated and wants a stable life as a software engineer. So Bob does what every 18-year-old does. He Googles how to learn programming and gets hit with 47 articles, 200 YouTube videos, and one guy on Quora who somehow turned the answer into a motivational speech about his divorce. Bob picks the first YouTube video, a 10-hour Python tutorial, full send.
2 hours later.
Bob has learned how to print Hello World 6 different ways, built 0 actual things, and is now questioning his entire existence. He closes the laptop, opens it again, closes it, makes a snack, comes back, Googles, is programming hard, gets another motivational speech, this time about someone's failed startup.
Damn it. Damn it, damn it.
Okay, look, Bob was me. Bob is probably you. And this video is everything I wish someone told me before. I wasted months going in circles, feeling productive, while actually going nowhere.
Seriously?
So here's the thing nobody tells you. Learning programming isn't about finding the right language. It's not about the right course. It's not about waiting until you feel ready. Because, spoiler, you never feel ready. I spent months learning, building, breaking things, and I still had to Google how to center a div. The real problem is that most people treat programming like school. Like if you just watch enough videos, take enough notes, and buy enough Udemy courses on sale for $14.99, one day a certificate appears and you magically become a developer. That's not how it works. And the scary part? If you stay in that cycle, you will stay in that cycle forever, watching, never building, always almost ready. So let me give you the actual framework. 4 steps, no fluff.
Let's get started.
Step 1. Pick one thing and just start. Not the best language, not the most popular framework, not the one that will make you the most money, according to a Reddit thread from 2019. Just something. Python, JavaScript, whatever. The language does not matter as much as the internet wants you to think it does.
But what if I pick the wrong one?
I said, it doesn't matter. We will fix this later. I started with JavaScript, hated it, switched to Python. Then came back to JavaScript later, and it made way more sense. And somewhere between building bad projects and making worse ones, I actually started understanding things.
Got it.
Not because I picked the perfect language, but because I kept going. The people who pick the right language and then spend 3 weeks comparing Python versus JavaScript versus Go before writing a single line of code, they're still comparing. Don't be them. Pick something. Start today. Literally today. Step 2. Stop watching. Start breaking things. This is the step where most people get stuck. And I mean really stuck. You finish a 6-hour tutorial. You feel amazing. You understood everything. You nod along like a genius. Then you open a blank file and your mind goes completely, embarrassingly empty. That feeling has a name. It's called tutorial hell.
Welcome to hell!
And I lived there for way too long. You keep watching because watching feels like progress. It doesn't feel scary. Nobody judges you for watching a video. But here is the truth. Watching someone else code is not the same as coding at all. It's like watching cooking videos for a month and then wondering why you can't make pasta. The way out is to build something, anything. Something so small and stupid that you're almost embarrassed to call it a project. My first project was a grade rating program. You enter your score, it tells you if you're perfect, good, or, and this is the part I'm proud of, it would literally kick you out of the program if your grade was too low. Zero mercy. I built that in like 40 lines of code and I was so genuinely proud of it. Was it useful? No. Was it impressive? Absolutely not. But I built it. I ran it. It worked. And that feeling, that's the feeling that keeps you going. So stop waiting for the tutorial that finally makes you ready to build. You're ready now. Go make something embarrassing. It's the whole point. Step 3. Use Google. Use ChatGPT. Just use something. I genuinely don't understand the people online who act like using resources is cheating. Like real developers sit in a dark room pulling perfect code out of their brain like wizards. No, real developers have 14 Stack Overflow tabs open 2 YouTube videos paused and are praying that at least one of them has the answer. That's the job. That's always been the job. The skill isn't memorizing syntax. Nobody cares that you memorize syntax. The skill is knowing how to find the answer, understand why it works, and actually apply it to your specific problem. That's it. That's the whole thing. And with AI tools now, you have basically a senior developer sitting next to you at all times. Use it. Just don't let it think for you. There's a difference between using ChatGPT to understand something and using it to avoid understanding anything. One makes you better, the other keeps you stuck. Use the tools, learn from them, keep moving. Step 4, and this one is the one people skip. Show your work. Even when it's bad, especially when it's bad. I know it feels scary. I know you think nobody cares about your little Python script or your half-finished to-do app. I posted my first project online and got 2 views. One of them was me checking if it uploaded correctly. The other was my dad, who just wanted to know what I was doing so hard on the laptop. But here's what actually matters. The habit of shipping, of putting things out there, of being visible even when you feel invisible. That habit compounds in a way that's hard to explain until you've experienced it. Because 6 months from now,
6 months?
someone's going to look at your profile and see that you've been consistently building and sharing things, and that's worth more than any certificate. It shows you're serious. It shows you actually
Working.
But what if people judge it?
they will, some of them will, and you keep going anyway, because the people who judge without building are not the people you're building for. Start a GitHub post on X, make a little portfolio, document the journey even when the journey is messy, especially when it's messy. Look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is easy. It's not. There will be days where nothing works, where you've been staring at the same bug for 2 hours and it turns out you missed a semicolon, where you feel like your brain has physically packed its bags and left. Those days are normal. Every developer has them. The difference between the ones who make it and the ones who don't isn't talent. It's just whether you came back the next day. But there's also the other moment, and trust me, this moment exists, where something clicks, where you look at a problem, write the code, run it, and it just works. And you feel like the smartest person alive for about 4 minutes before you find the next bug.
For real, bruh.
That feeling is worth every frustrating hour that came before it. Bob figured it out eventually. He didn't find the perfect language or the perfect course. He just started, broke things, used his resources, and kept showing up. And you will too. If you want the full roadmap, the actual step-by-step breakdown of what to learn, in what order, with no fluff, it's all in the next video. I'll break it down properly.
That's it?
That's it, my friend.
Kind of short.
Subscribe and maybe I'll make it longer next time, Bob.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.